What is ATS friendly resume? An ATS friendly resume is a resume optimized for applicant tracking system used by companies to effectively screen the filtered job applications. ATS friendly resume increases visibility to result the recruiters, matches job requirements effectively, saves time in the recruitment process, enhances hiring success by getting through the initial screening. So let's learn how to crack an ATS friendly resume. If you're excited to know, click the like button. Hey guys, I'm Sangeeta, your favorite career coach, here to explain you how to land your dream job. If you're looking this video for the first time, let me introduce you to myself. I have completed masters in data analytics and digital marketing, and I have 5+ years of IT experience globally. Hundreds of students have attended my webinars and have got placed in top MNCs with ease by following my strategies. So let's get started. In today's video, the topic that we will cover are understanding the ATS friendly resume, step-by-step explanation about the parts of the resume, examples of how to write each and every sections in the resume so that you can understand with ease for both freshers and experienced professionals. At the end of the video, I will be giving you the mind-blowing tips to format the ATS friendly resume. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Now let's understand the importance of ATS friendly resume. The application tracking system enables recruiters to screen the resume with keywords and skills that align with the job description, streamlining the candidate selection process. Hence, using these perfect keywords are very important during applying job so that you can secure your job among thousands of resumes. Tip 2. The segment of the resume are first, contact information. Introduce your name, phone number, email address and location. Write it in the top left corner and show them. Don't include material status or age. It is not required for professional summary. It just occupies space. Tip 3. Professional summary. This will grab the recruiter's attention. Briefly highlight your experience, skills and career objective. Keep the section concise and tailor the resume relevant to the job description always. Remember, your professional summary should explain about the percentage of delivery that you have done to the company. Hence, this is how you need to write the professional summary. I will pause here the video so that you can take the screenshot and you can keep it as a template for future reference. Now, I'll be explaining you how to write a professional summary for freshers. You can pause the video and you can take the screenshot. Now, I also like to share you the top 5 common job roles in the IT market and the samples of how to write a professional summary. Now let's dive into how to write professional summaries for freshers. As a fresher, you need to add industry-specific keywords and strongly specify the skills that is relevant to the job description. I will pause the video for a second so that you can take a screenshot and the reference of the template. If you really feel that these templates are very helpful for crafting the resume, hit the subscribe button. Tip 4. Work experience. List your previous job role, responsibilities and achievements in reverse chronological order. Let me explain you the wrong way of writing the work experience. For example, let's take sales representative. If he writes product sold by the customer, managed client relationships, achieved sales and targets, the reason why it is wrong is because it is too vague and does not provide a clear picture of candidate's actual contribution or accomplishment in the role of sales representative. The bullet points are basic job role duties that almost any sales representative would perform. To stand out of the potential employers, it is important to showcase the specific achievements, skills and experience that as a part of your work. Now, I'll explain you the correct way of writing a professional summary. For sales representative, you have to mention the company name, location, and the date and the time till you have worked. Example, develop the implemented sales strategies results in 25% increase in the revenue in the first quarter. Cultivated relationship with key client leading to a 15% growth in customer retention. Exceeds monthly sales target by 30% through effective negotiations and product knowledge. Closed a 1,000 lakh deal with a new client expanding the company's customer base and revenue system. The reason why it is correct is because it speaks about the candidate's specific achievements and quantifiable results and demonstrate the skills and success stories. Tip 5. Education. Education details should be provided and background educations including degree, certification, relevant courseworks added to the top left corner. 6 is the skills. Highlight your key skills relevant to the job role and competencies that are relevant to the job. If you don't have skills, comment skills in the comment below section and I will send you free course links that you can upgrade your skills and I can add it to the resume and so that you can crack your high paying job. As an example, I would like to explain about the digital marketer who is writing the specific skills. Example, email marketing, Google Analytics, advertising, copywriting, graphic designer, marketing automations, and these are the samples how you need to write these skills. Tip 7, certification. Mention any relevant certification or license you hold. Example, for a digital marketer, Google Analytics certification, HubSpot inbound marketing certification, Facebook blueprint certification, Google Ads certification. If you don't have any certification, I will share you the link where you can upgrade your skills and can get certification. Comment link. Tip 8, addition section. Add it in the down left corner of the resume. Include sections like volunteering work, languages, or professional affiliation if you're applicable. Tip 9, formatting tips. Last but not the least, here are 5 formatting tips for ATS friendly resume. First one, use simple formatting. Avoid using fancy formats, images or graphics. Stick to standard formats like Arial or Times New Roman and use bullet points for easy readability. Include relevant keywords. Tailor your resume to include keywords from the job description to increase the chance of passing the ATS screening. Third one is avoid tables and columns. ATS may have difficulty in reading information in tables and columns. Use a simple layout with clear heading and sections. Fourth, optimize the file format. Save your resume in compatible file formats such as .docs or PDF to ensure the ATS can pass the content accurately. Fifth, customize your resume. Tailor your resume to the job descriptions and the job requirements of the specific role to maximize the chance of getting noticed by the ATS and recruiters. Follow these formatting tips will help you increase the ATS readability of your resume and increase your chances of getting selected in the interviews. So it's a wrap, guys. If you like this video, give some thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and always remember, you are the best.